16-month wait time. A little pew pew about to happen. Some quiet pews. Bart, which one is this? The Sparrow 22?
Yeah.
And you've got a Sig P322.
Black Horse and Black Mama.
And
And
1022 takedown with the
binary.
Binary, yep. Alright, man. We're gonna heat this bad boy up. Stay tuned. Dinging the steel was louder than the gun. I need to take that. Why have I got ear? Forgot I had the ears on because he was shooting the 9. So, all in kids, be like Bill Clinton, don't inhale. The ding's louder than the gun. That's awesome. All right, these are Bart's toys we got out here. So. Crazy. So we're gonna run this thing binary and see how it works with this suppressor, silencer, whatever you want to call it. You see that flinch? Keep all that on video. I want everybody to see. Oh, yeah. Okay. Where is the... that... I thought... Okay. I had it on safety instead of binary. I think that's it. Had a couple. Let's put it on single shot and see how it does with the silencer. I think I might have been outrunning the trigger on that binary, but I'm just going to shoot this single shot just so we can give the silencer a little workout. Oh, that red dot. Red dot's a little. Can't get that. Nice.